Hey, I'm Xiang Yu. Today I'm gonna tell you an epic story. A young general led his troops across a river, then smashed their boats and cooking pots, leaving his soldiers no way to retreat. And what happened? They won a battle that seemed impossible to win. That's what we call burning your boats.
Where has the Chu army gone?
General, our men fear the frozen river. We're outnumbered. Should we rethink this?
General, even I advise against direct combat. Let's camp and await reinforcements before deciding.
Wait? Wait for what? Those cowardly allies won't dare face Qin's army. Further delay will break our spirit. Men, Qin troops may outnumber us, but they're exhausted and undersupplied. Though few, we Chu fight with vengeance and high morale.
Beyond this river lies Julu. Win, and the world is ours. Lose, and we die fighting. Will you join me to make history?
I.
Sink all the ferries. Smash every cooking pot. The general sank our ships. How do we get back? Back? We're not going back. Each man carries just 3 days' rations. Within these 3 days, we either defeat the Qin army or perish on this battlefield. There is no third choice.
This is what we call burning your bridges. With no way back, our soldiers will fight like hell. So that's it, a true burn the boats moment.
Charge!
We'll win!
Ah!
General, your divine might leaves us utterly awestruck and humbled. Rise! It's not my divine might, but my brother's determination to fight to the death.
The story of burning boats teaches us that when you're determined to achieve something, you must cut off all means of retreat. Don't leave yourself any thought of giving up if things don't work out. Only then can you give your all. Remember, it's just a metaphor. Don't smash pots daily. See ya!